Augustina was 8 years old when a friend invited her to a neighbor's house in Uruguay. "Aunt Marita tells great Bible stories every Friday evening," her friend said. "You should come." Augustina asked her mother for permission to go, and she agreed on the condition that the two of them went together. Her mother wanted to hear what kind of stories Aunt Marita was telling. On Friday evening, they went to Aunt Marita's house. Aunt Marita read a story from the Bible. Then everyone sang songs about Jesus. When the sun went down, she said the Sabbath had begun, and she prayed. Augustina enjoyed the meeting and begged her mother to let her go again. They went together again the next Friday, but after that, her mother allowed Augustina to go by herself. After a while, Augustina learned that on every Sabbath, Aunt Marita went to a small Seventh-day Adventist church a few blocks from her house. She asked if she could go with her to church, and her mother agreed. Sabbath became the best day of the week for Augustina. She was thrilled to welcome the Sabbath at Aunt Marita's house with a Bible story, singing, and prayer on Friday evening. She jumped out of bed with joy on Sabbath morning to go to church with Aunt Marita. At church, Augustina fell in love with the Sabbath school class. She especially liked hearing mission stories from the Mission Quarterly about children around the world. It was inspiring to hear how God was using the mission offerings to change the lives of kids just like her. Although she was young, she listened to the sermons very carefully. Soon she began to study the Bible. The more she read the Bible, the more she learned about Jesus and his love. She decided to give her heart to Jesus and get baptized. A short time later, someone told her that there was an Adventist school in Uruguay. Augustina wanted to study there, but her mother said public school was better because it was free. Augustina did not give up. She prayed for many months to study at the Adventist school. Then her church participated in a special 10 days of prayer program with other churches around the world. Augustina prayed extra hard. At the end of the 10 days, her mother agreed to send her to the Adventist school. She was so happy. God had answered her prayers. God even helped them find money to pay for the school tuition. Augustina loves Jesus with all her heart. It's so amazing to know that someone like Jesus could love me so much that he gave his life for me, she says.